Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of using all those expensive, chemical-laden products that promise to make you look younger but don't really deliver? Well, you're in for a treat today because I'm about to share with you a natural DIY beauty secret that's been hiding in your kitchen all along. That's right, we're talking about how banana peels and cornstarch can give you that youthful glow and make you look and feel like you're 16 again, no matter your age. Intrigued? Stick around because you won't want to miss this. So let's dive right in. We all know how amazing bananas are for our health, but did you know that the peel of a banana is just as beneficial for your skin? Yep, you heard that right. Banana peels are packed with antioxidants, fatty acids and minerals like potassium, zinc and iron, all of which can do wonders for your skin. They help reduce wrinkles, brighten your complexion and even fight inflammation. It's like having a magic potion right in your kitchen. But that's not all. We're also bringing cornstarch into the mix. Cornstarch isn't just for cooking, it's a powerhouse for your skin too. It's rich in protein, amino acids, minerals and vitamins that help delay visible signs of aging. It also absorbs excess oil, making it perfect for acne-prone skin and strengthens collagen, the stuff that keeps your skin firm and youthful. Now, who's ready to make this incredible face mask? Here's what you will need. The peel of 1 banana, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of rice, half tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of powdered milk. First, take a banana and peel it. Cut the peel into small pieces and set them aside. Now, grab a pan and pour in a cup of water. Add the banana peel pieces and a tablespoon of rice to the pan. Let these ingredients boil together for about 10 to 12 minutes. Once they are done, turn off the heat and let the mixture cool down a bit. After it's cooled, pop the mixture into your mixer grinder and blend until it's smooth. Now, here's an important step. Strain the mixer to get rid of any leftover chunks. You want a nice smooth base for your mask. Now, add a tablespoon of cornstarch to the strained mixture. Follow that with a half a tablespoon of lemon juice, great for lightening age spots and scars. And finally, a teaspoon of powdered milk, which will cleanse and brighten your skin. Mix everything together until you have a creamy smooth mask. And voila! Your DIY banana peel and cornstarch face mask is ready to go. You can use it right away or store it in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. When you're ready to use the mask, apply it generously to your face and neck with a brush. You can even use it on other parts of your body if you want to brighten your skin or reduce pigmentation. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes. Perfect time to relax with a good book or a cup of tea. Once the time is up, rinse off the mask with lukewarm water and follow up with cold water to close your pores. Pat your skin dry and apply your favorite moisturizer. Trust me, your skin will feel amazing, hydrated, firm and glowing. For the best results, use this mask 3 times a week. It's an easy, affordable way to keep your skin looking youthful and radiant. And there you have it. Your secret weapon to turning back the clock is as simple as banana peels and cornstarch. Who knew, right? If you give this mask a try, I'd love to hear about your experience. Drop a comment below and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest beauty tips and DIYs. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful and keep glowing.